Hi here and welcome to Inspired to Refire, your daily dose of motivation and success stories. Let's jump right into today's powerful message. Every morning you wake up is a fresh start, a new opportunity, a blank page, a second chance to chase your dreams. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Today is not yesterday. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you feel right now. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Small actions, small wins, small moments of courage. Today you don't need to climb the whole mountain. You just need to take one step, one decision, one brave move toward your goals. Speak life over yourself. Believe in your worth. Forgive yourself for the past. Focus on what's ahead. You are not here to merely survive. You are here to thrive. You are here to refire your passion, your purpose, and your power. This is your day, your moment, your time to shine. Now go make it unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If today's message fired you up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Inspired to Refire family. Let's chase greatness together, one day at a time.